Unboxing and setting up the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101 through 4104 DW, FDN, and FDW printer series. Open the box and remove the setup guide and other documentation included with the printer. Remove the printer power cord and USB cable if one is present and set them aside. With the box on its side, grasp the packaging and pull to remove the printer from the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from the printer and set them aside. Remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the orange tape from the side of the printer. Remove the clear tape from the paper width guides on the top of the printer. Remove the clear plastic shield from the display panel and HP symbol. And finally, remove the orange tape from the back of the printer. Slide out the input tray and slide the paper width guides to the sides of the tray. Place paper in the tray and adjust the guides so that they are resting against the edges of the paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button and the printer powers on. If you would like to set up your printer on your network with an Ethernet cable, connect one at this time. If you would prefer a wireless connection, do not connect any cables at this time and proceed to the next step. Note: this video will proceed with a wireless setup process. If you are connecting with an Ethernet cord, not all steps will pertain to you. Follow the prompts you receive on the printer and your computer to complete the Ethernet cord setup process. Select your language and tap Confirm. Then select your country or region. You are then prompted to select your connection method. Note: if you want to set up the printer with a USB cable, select the Connect Later option. This option is available for users who do not want access to cloud features and services. To continue with a wireless setup, tap Wireless. Tap your network name from the list of available networks. Use the touch keypad to enter your wireless password and tap Done. On the Connection Successful screen, tap OK, and then tap Continue. The printer will check for firmware updates and then retrieve a pairing code. The pairing code is valid for 2 hours and is used for pairing your printer with HP Smart Admin to access cloud-based features, services, and additional printing solutions. If you do wish to pair your printer, take a picture or write down this code as you will need it later in the pairing process. Then, open a web browser on your PC and go to hpsmart.com/connect to complete the pairing process. If you do not wish to pair the printer, tap Skip Pairing on the printer control panel. If you choose to skip pairing, you are prompted to download the HP Smart Print Driver to complete the printer setup. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.